is the first day with Ubuntu. So before going to anything, first of all, you should be sure your Ubuntu is having the correct network configuration or not, means it's having the internet or not. Otherwise, you can't connect your this PC with the world, which is World Wide Web, right? So what you have to do, you have to just right click on the desktop, and there is an option called Open Terminal. So you just need to open the terminal, and there you need to do few things. First of all, you will see your name, whatever is given to you. Okay, and here it's written some messages like to run a command as an admin, you can use either login as a root or you can use sudo command. Okay, so I will show you when it is required. So this moment of time, what you have to run, you have to just simply check ping google.com and if reply is coming or not. So if this reply is coming, this means see some milliseconds are coming, right? Okay, so if it is coming, this means all the internet connection is fine. But if it is not coming, let me press Ctrl C. If it is not coming, so where to go and check? Here you can see some internet option in your PC. Just click over here. Okay, and here you will see the wired connection, right? So you should just turn off and turn on. Let's say it's turn off. Okay, and again you just need to turn it on. Okay, so 1 second. Yep. So what you have to do, you simply just need to click in this corner, and here it's wired off, just connect it. Okay, so if it is disconnected, you will not get any ping. Okay, so see, it's try to search the suitable Wi-Fi for your system. Okay, but if it is on and you are getting the reply, so don't need to touch this. Okay, because you are getting reply, everything is fine, so don't need to play with those values. So let me clear the screen. I will show you all the commands, but this moment of time I'm just setting the thing. So you can see I'm still getting the reply, right? So here let me click over here. So you can see the status, it's I'm already connected, though it's showing, it will refresh in a moment. Okay, just you can go to wired setting. Let it open. Yep. So here you can see, from here you can turn off, turn on as well. You can see I turned off here, and again I will click over here, it will be turned on. See, so though you can see it's coming here, right? So what will be kind of reply if coming? Let's just turn off. Let me turn off it, and let me try to. So let me hit clear is a command to clear the screen. Okay, so let me hit ping google.com, and you will see this kind of message, name of service is not known. Let me clear it back, and let me turn it on. Okay, so these things are prerequisite checks, okay, you have to do in order to do that. Let me hit this command, and yep, you can see my internet is working fine. Press Ctrl C, close it. So that's very very important in order to do that. Okay, let me close it. And one more thing you should do, that open the terminal and note down your IP address. So ifconfig is the command. I will show each and every command, but this moment of time you need to do the thing. So see, right now I need to install this tool. Okay, so I will show you in the next class then. Okay, so you should note down your IP address as well, which is required in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so this thing I will show you how to install the thing, and after that we will see that. Okay, when I will teach you the installation of the software in Ubuntu. So this moment of time my internet is working fine. Let me cross check. That's a very important thing, is we are connected to, our host is connected to the internet or not. So let me open it, and let me check that. So it is Mozilla is open. Let me open google.com, and let me cross verify from here. So yes, okay, it's double O. Okay, so you can see I'm able to connect with the Google. So that's a very important area. And if you find any issue and difficulty while VirtualBox, if you are following my steps and install using VirtualBox, still not able to connect, let me know. I will help you here. But be sure your system is connected with internet. That's very important. And 99.9% you will be connected, because that's a good beauty of the Ubuntu. There is no some settings you need to do that much. Okay. So, okay. I hope internet settings has been done. So, yep. Meet in the next class, guys. So, see you. So, let me close the tab. Okay. So, meet you in the next class.